Hello friends, today we'll be talking on the first program of C++ programming. We'll start with the header files. The first and foremost requirement of C++ program is to add the header file named as iostream.h. It is input output stream.h. Basically the function of this header file is to support the input and output related functions. Second header file we'll be using here, it is conio.h. This is very famous and we have already used this header file in C programming. Here in this program we have used some functions which is clear screen and getch. These two functions definition is already written in conio.h. So we'll be including that particular header file in this program. Now, since this is the first program, we try to understand fundamental ideas of C++. So first of all, the variable declaration in C++ is the same as the variable declaration in C language. It is, we can say that here we have declared two variables named as radius and area. So the syntax we can say that the first of all we need to mention the data type, and then after the variable name is to be returned, and then we need to put the semicolon. So if we follow the format given here, then this integer is the predefined data type. We all know that integer is for complete numbers, means a number like 10, 20, 10,000, 20,000, all the numbers within the range of 32767 is included in integer. So we are considering that a variable named as radius can able to accommodate all complete numbers. We have declared another variable named as area, the data type of which is float. Now float is again for numbers, but this is this is capable enough to handle incomplete numbers, means 0.5, 0.05, 7.23, like all incomplete numbers can be stored in float data type. So we are taking area, the variable named area, as float data type. Now after declaring variables, what we need to do, we need to take the values from user. So now how to take the values from user in C++ programming? So basically to get the value from user we are using this. Cin operator is used to take the value. The syntax is this. Syntax we can say that we need to write cin, then we need to use greater than sign 2 times, and then the variable name. So here the variable name is radius. So this is how we can able to take the value. So that we have done. Now what is the purpose of cout here? Now cout is just to prompt user that you are supposed to enter the value of radius. So user can get to know that now I am supposed to enter the value of radius, so that cout is being used. So we can say that this cout is acting like printf and your cin is acting like scanf. So this is how we can able to print some value, we can able to get the value from user. Now logic is very simple. This is the program of finding area of circle. So we have declared one variable named as area, which is float, and the equation we know that it is pi r square. So the value of pi I have taken directly, which is 3.14, into the value of radius which we have taken from user, and this. So ultimately this is pi into r into r. After this the answer will be stored in area. Now we need to print this answer on the screen. So again, to print something on the screen we need to use cout operator. So here we have used cout /n. You know the purpose of /n is to print in the new line. Then it will be printing a message that area of circle is. So this is the string which will be printed as it is. And now actually we need to print the value of area variable. So that's why we have written area. Last we have written getch to hold the screen for while, so we can able to get the output. and since we have used integer main, we are writing return 0 at last. So this is very simple program. We once try to execute it. I'm executing this. It will be asking to enter radius. Suppose I am entering radius equals to 10. So I'm getting answer is 314. Now we try to execute. We need to debug it. Debug means one by one, step by step execution. So first of all, execution starts from integer main. The first line get executes, it's clear screen, means all your, you can see here right now if I look at the console, my previous output is already there. Once I execute clear screen and I again view the console, now console is blank. Why? Because due to this clear screen method, due to this predefined function, my console gets clear. Now cout means it is prompting a message, printing a message on the screen. So now you can see it is printing a message and it is asking to enter some value. Suppose I'm entering 5 now. So now the value of this radius is 5 and now it is 3.14 into 5 into 5. Calculation is being done and the answer will be stored in area variable. And now again we are printing answer on the screen using cout operator. So it will be printing the value. So here we can see answer is 78.5 and then our program execution is completed. So this is how the first program of C++ we have seen. I hope you have enjoyed and you learned. Thank you.